Hello everybody and welcome back to my next video. So you saw in the previous video where I started to do one and then got called away. So I pretty much ended that with a pickup, which I got the two starters and turbo and an AC unit, window unit from my other guy, which I explained that in the last video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to do as many of these as possible in the shortest time as possible. It is hot outside, so well, it's actually muggy because it did rain yesterday and the clouds are still here, so a thunderstorm could still roll in, and that's what usually happens this time of year. But the nights have been cool, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut into the tire and we're going to go around. We're going to flip it over, going to cut the tire, finish cutting the tire, and go around. Take the tire off, dump it in here, and then go with that. But yeah. Also got to remember that my blades are dull. And this tire keeps moving. And I don't know. Okay, so we got that side cut. Come on, get up there and start. Okay. Tire keeps moving and I don't like it. Let's see what it does now. Probably move. Come on. Come on, hand. Let's see what it does now. Unfortunately, I am right in the middle of the sun, so it's really, really hot. And my blade is very, very dull. Come on. Get in there. Why do you keep wanting to come out? probably going through the steel belted radials, and that's why it's having an issue. But I got it going halfway. It's cutting right through these belts right here. That's why it keeps moving and my blade wants to come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here and I'm going to go around. Okay. Well, that's pretty much it. All I got to do now is peel these other things off. Okay. I know someplace in here is my smaller oh, there it is. I don't remember putting it there, but no, actually this is a different one. There's another one in here. I got like 4 or 5 of these things. But yeah. I got tires. So how did I do this before? Anybody remember? I think it was like this. Oh, actually, no, it wasn't. It was like this, because I went like this, and pulled it down, moved over to the next one, pulled it down. There we go. Who needs a stinking machine? Not the Viper. Now, somebody's telling me that the metal that's inside of the bead is the best ones to make springs out of. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that. I don't know if I have, but that's what I was told. Don't know if it's true. I've been lied to too many times by people. And the thing is people think I'm dumb. You know, pretend to be your friend and then sit there and talk behind your back. Yeah. You know, well, I gotta take off the weights and that valve stem, but I'll probably see if I can borrow my nephew's tool from work to take that stuff off. Let's see. And